factor 3 of 304. So 304, it can be written as 2 times 152. 2 times 152 means 304. 152, it can be written as 2 times 76. 2 times 76 means 152. 76, it can be written as 2 times 38. 2 times 38 means 76. Like as 38, it can be written as 2 times 19. 2 times 19 means 38. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 2, these 2 and 19. So we can write 304 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times this 2 times this 2 and this 19. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.